Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make an infinity mirror. Basically just a backing. I used it for a home bar, but you can use it for, pretty much anything that you want. Let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, first thing, ordered some LED strips online. I got the brand Flex Glow, the XL. Kind of fast forward to this unboxing. Got the LED strips with one adhesive side. Got the remote. Got the receiver. Wall, charger, and directions. Save those for later. Alright. Next thing up, we got the second part, which will be the mirror film that will apply to the shadow box that we got, which will be the main casing for it. So let's go ahead and fast forward through this. Came with a little razor, box cutter, and some directions, and then there's a squeegee in there too. Everything was shipped right from Amazon straight to my house, so I'll leave some links in the description there too. So we got the shadow box, the LED lights, and the mirror film. Pretty simple actually to make this. It really didn't take me that long. Mostly just had to wait for all the stuff. Got the shadow box from Michaels, the mirror film from Amazon.com, and same with the LED lights. So first thing you gotta do is take everything off the shadow box. Go ahead and take the tape off. And those are little wall mounts, so if you don't want it mounted, just want it flat, take those off later. Unhinge the back, lift that up. Alright, now this is the mirror film. It comes fairly easy. You don't need any kind of glue or anything like that. If you want glue, you can put it on there, but you just need to measure it out, and with the box cutter that they provide, you can cut it to size. If you want to do it one on each side, I already have it on the glass part of the shadow box over there. And it's really easy to apply. All you gotta do is take a spray bottle with some soapy water and apply that on there, and use the squeegee that they provide for you, and just squeegee it out. You want to really take your time with it. Of course, I have the fast forward going on in this video, so. It's always a good idea to have a towel with you. That way you can mop up any mess as you go. Alright, now we're going to put in the hole for the receiver for the LED lights. So just take a drill. You want to drill 3 holes. That way it fits that little connector through it. You can see me kind of trying to figure it out. See, I got the 3 holes into the side. Fit that through there. Alright, now you want to take the strip off of the back of the LED lights to reveal the adhesive side. And I had a problem with the corner there. But just take your time, really apply some pressure, and they stick right on there. If you want to apply some extra glue, you can. Add some extra adhesive. Again, take your time, apply pressure, and have it loop all the way around the perimeter of the shadow box. Now we're going to screw in some holes to put the receiver on and connect that to the LED lights. get there. You can get exact measurements if you like, but I just eyeballed it. Then connect that. You can see the receiver on the outside. That way it'll pick up on the remote's frequency and turn it on and off. Take the backing that we have, now that everything's all hooked up. Apply that back. You can see I already removed those wall mounts. Thought that'd be easier, it was not. It's easier to just do it by hand. Flip that over. It's essentially complete. I'm gonna just take the power cord, plug that sucker in, plug that into the wall. And some of these LED lights will do a little initializing process in the beginning when you first plug them in. Alright, you can kind of see the infinity mirror. Y'all can go ahead and follow me if you have any other questions, and want to find some more do-it-yourself projects, or any of my other channels. Hit me up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow.